Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk export WooCommerce products from one website to another. Let's dive straight in. To be able to bulk export your products from one WooCommerce website, what you have to do, of course, you have to be logged into your WordPress website. Come to Products, All Products, and come directly up here on top of the Products menu, and you have to say Export. And here you can select which columns should be exported, which product types should be exported, which products category should be exported, and probably if you could also export the custom meta. And these are all categories you had already created in the site where you want to export the products from. So it's about you on what kind of products or even product categories or even columns you want to export. Once you select right here, I'll just leave it on default. You say generate CSV, and this will just take a couple of seconds. Once that is done, automatically you'll get the CSV downloaded right here. And now what you have to do is go to the website where you want to import your products. I only have 10 products that are on this website. Now I'm going to import the other product that we exported from this other website. The number of products that are on this website that we have exported is about 134 products. So now let's get to this website, come to products, then say import products. And right here, it says import products from a CSV file. This tool allows you to import or merge product data to your store from a CSV file. So here we choose the CSV file, go to downloads, and we look up for that CSV file, which is this. And then we select it. And here we can say update existing products. In case we have existing products that match the same ID or the same SKU, they will be updated. So, and of course there's some other advanced features that you can select right here, but right now we don't need any of that. So we have our file here selected and we can say continue. Once we are here, then we can select the fields from the CSV file that we want to import to map against the product fields. For example, the ID will go to the ID, the type will be matched to the type, and then the SKU will be matched to the SKU. In case this is different from the old website and probably you want to change the SKU this side, then you can select on which field that will actually reflect on the SKU that is coming with the products that are from the older website. Once you have this option selected, come here and run the importer. Boom. When you looked on our other website, we had 134 products, and here we have successfully imported 134 products. And let's view the products. Boom, these are all the products right here. So if we get 134 plus the 10 products that were there, we get 144 products. So guys, that's how you can bulk export and import products in WooCommerce. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you value, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. See you in the next one. Peace.